Trina. Did you know I have plant powers? I can help plants grow and float on a dandelion. With my awesomer blossomer, I shoot vines. And I've got this really cool petal power shield. Later, buds! Clunky? Look out! Clunky, get back here! What's that? Get her! Clunky! Action on buy time! It's the wonderful wand of wizardry.
She must have taken it from the vault of villains. Good thing we stopped her. That little wand could cause big trouble.
Great work, Action Pack. Hey, come over here. Come on, stop that. What? The Mega Man is headed straight for the town center. Whoa! New plan, damage control.
Hot dog!
Fun time! Oh, that was new. Whoa!
Oh!
Oh!
Thank you, Action Pack.
Oh, my greenness! Oh, my greenness!
What is it?
What you doing, Trina? Oh, hi! Isn't this the nicest spring day? A warm day like this means this flower should bloom right about now.
Wow, that was lightning fast.
In this warm weather, my plant powers are so strong that I can even help flowers bloom. I'm feeling the best ever. Wow! Oh, my flower! It's frozen.
Hey, spring is gone, winter is back on.
Woo!
Look out!
Whoa.
What's that? Who wants to play snowball fight?
Ah! I can get that freezy glove with my vine. I just have to get closer.
Action Pack, come play.
Vine time! Whoa! Gotcha!
This kind of tickles, but I don't like plant games. Is that all you got?
I won't let you freeze any more plants. Ha!
Snowball fight, snowball fight. There's nothing like a snowball fight.
My petal power shield. I'm wilting in this cold.
Double dodge, snowball.
Oh, Trina!
What happened? Are you hurt? Follow me. Are you okay?
It must be the cold. It's freezing my plant powers.
Action Pack, cold snap has been detected downtown.
Thanks, Mr. Ernesto. Time to bring back spring.
Everyone loves ice skating. Wait, what happened to my play pals? Hey, my freezy glove.
Bye time.
Why'd you take my freezy glove and stop the fun?
Nobody's having fun but you.
But how can anyone be sad when they have a winter wonderland to play in?
Not everyone has fun doing the same things.
I thought everyone was having fun because I was having fun, but they weren't. I'm sorry I made people sad.
Cold Snap, if you're really sorry, you can help make things right.
Oh, I know how. I can reverse the cold with my freezy glove.
You did it, Trina. We did. No matter what season it is, I know I can count on my team to brighten my day. And that makes me feel the best ever. Mission accomplished. For the love of whiskers! What's the superintendent up to now?
Catch the monster in your town before the hourglass winds down.
Oh, Zap! A giant monster! And it's wrecking the town! Great gladiolus!
Now, get that monster into this cage and the trophy is yours. Time is ticking.
I know how to stop giants and get that trophy. Let's roll! Trina, hold your horses! We have to get that trophy. The monster's heading towards the town center. What? Distract the monster while we figure out how to stop it. I'm on. Woohoo! Yeah! Shocking development! My static electricity made her hair puff out. Oh, look at her pretty eyes. I'm gonna call her Iris. Hi, Iris. She's trying to fix it? Maybe she didn't mean to wreck stuff. She just couldn't see. Ooh, look at all these dinosaur bones. Let me introduce you to Jeff. Hi, Jeff. Wow, he's so big. Action Pack, let's spread out and look for clues. Mr. Ernesto, did you find any more info on the break-in?
Yes, Plunky's sensors detect movement in the storage room, where they keep the fossils that aren't on display.
Sounds good, Mr. Ernesto. Stand by. I think the storage room is that way. Come on, let's go. Hear that? The burglars are still in there. Come on. Ready, Action Pack? On 3. 1, 2, 3! What? You were supposed to wait for us. Oops. Huh. The burglar must have gotten out somehow. But, judging by this mess, they were looking for something here. Plasma vision. It looks like there was a dinosaur in here. A dinosaur? And it's still here. Okay, team, get ready. Hot Spark! A real-life baby T-Rex! Hey, come back! Where'd it go? There you are! What? Gone again? There! Cheetah pounce! Ugh! Wowzers! Are you okay? Never better. Up here. Whoa! There it is. No, there! Not that drawer! This drawer! Ha! Huh? I think the dino's in that one. No, here. Over here. Bouncing begonias.
Oh, look out!
We have to stop that rock. Circle up, hoodies up, and take action! Gotcha! Great gladiolus, my favorite tree! I got you, Mr. Tree! Don't gotcha! Plasma, honey, push! This is heavier than it looks. It's fine time! What? Spin this as fast as you can. I'm on it. Plantastic. Whoa, the world is spinning. Ooh, way to grow, buds.
Oh, thanks to you, Action Pack, that wasn't a Tyrannosaurus wreck.